Guess who's back? Back again. Tell all of your friends that I'm doing some problems today. Ah, fuck the volume. Okay. We are in the new place called Orbit. This is probably the last one of the... Yeah, this is probably the last place we're gonna be before the end battle. And then we're gonna get all them bolts. And we'll do a special episode for this. So, I can go underwater. I can go straight and I can go underwater and I can go there. Let's start from the water. Because I'll forget if not. Let's explore a little bit. Let's explore. Okay, nothing. No problem. Okay. Door open. No secrets. Not that I can see. And oh shit. Random time. If I see a bolt, I'm dying. I'm telling you. Straight away. Shut up. I'm so good, I'm so good, I'm so good at this game. Oh fuck. And yeah. Okay. 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 And fuck me. And fuck me. But I'm succeeding, I'm succeeding. More health. Oh my god, free. Fuck. No. I'm gonna die? Where am I gonna die? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Fuck, probably a secret behind me, no? Probably. There's probably a secret behind me. Ooh. First we're taking off the bolts, because we paid money for the new weapon, but we haven't used it yet. But we will, I promise. I wanna go back, there's probably a secret in the end there. But we won't do it now. Yeah, there was a secret, you see. We won't go there now, we'll go there in the end, for the end. And what is this? What is this? Cold bath? What is a cold bath? What is a cold bath? What is it? A cold bath? Veteran cold baths are necessary for opening in Vinco vaults. There are always one cold bath for each vault, and therefore a cold bath can be only used once. So there are more? Wait, I wanna go back. I wanna go back to the water. I wanna see the vault. What a cool spaceship. Wait. Let's try it again. The door is open already. How much health do I have? Wait. How much health do I have? 4. I can do it with 4. I can do it. Last time, with too many hits, with other... We will succeed, I promise you. I promise. Oh. One, two, 2. Fuck off. Fuck off. 3. Where am I? Where am I? Fuck off. No. I meant to press the other button. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 We're doing this. We're doing it. Okay. 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 And we've done it. Now I want to go left. Because here is the place, no? Let's see here. So I can go here. Up. Skill point. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. And I am the best. And I've got the bolt. And we got the electricity that will heal us. And if I'm pressing this, I have another minute. Full on minute. So somehow it opened this. We need to find it. Oh, fun. Wait. Oh, yeah, this is the one. Alright, so this is the way back. No problem. No problem, my friend. No problem. No problem. So we got the first bolt. Yeah? We're fine. We're fine. We're playing it cool. Ah! And the back. Back. Okay. So, we've done it in 6 minutes because we're the best. Now we'll go. Oh, so this takes us back.
I got some great bargains for you today.
So it's only here I can go. Or not. Oh, okay. Let's go. 1. I want to try the Tesla car.
To use the Tesla car, keep the circle button held down.
It's not that strong. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, fuck me. Look, look. Hello. We won't kill him. I want to see what's on the other side. First. Okay, we need to kill him. Close the door. Thank you. No. Tesla claw. Tesla claw. Oh, fuck. Maybe I should have died. Keep my health. Oh, you've seen it? Look. Ha. Me there. Nothing crazy. Okay. Ah, meeting. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah. So much gold. Could have got that. Could have got that. Wait, no. Doors closed. They are out. Hello! We're all gonna die. Don't worry. Please kill him. Please kill him. Thank you. Probably one of those places there is a golden bolt. I'm pretty sure. Oh no. What? Hello. Kill him. Patience is key, my child. Patience is key. 4 health. 7,000 bolts. Okay. And now we're there. Wherever this is. Can I get to this button? No. Here's this. Yeah. No. But here's this. Yeah, that's enough. And no secrets, and we can move on. Oh. What? Okay. Hello. Wait. Oh no. Oh. Wait. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, fuck me. Fuck you. Fuck me. Fuck you. No golden bolt. No golden bolt. No golden bolt. No golden bolt. Can I use it? Come. What? I'm patient. I'm patient. And hello. I'm patient. I'm just a friendly neighbor. It will take us to the next path, which is with green. Wait, this is used now? Code bot can only be used once. What vault? What kind of vault it opens? I don't understand. No other pieces of shit. No other pieces of ha. Bitch. They gave him 3 buttons? Only for him? Bang. Okay. Best place. So in here, I'm supposed to somehow go straight. And I can't. I can go out. How can I get there? So this is the way back, maybe? Maybe from here somewhere? Because I can go, but I can't go. Go sleep, money, speak money. Let's try again. Maybe I need to trick the game. Hello? Hello? Fuck you. No. Okay. And I'm in space. Really? What they are shooting? Nothing. Okay. Wait, what? What is moving? Wait. It's here. What's this? There's a button here. I can go straight. Wait. I can go straight. Which will give me the path to there, and I don't want to go there yet, so... Let's see, what is this? Spaceship? Wait, what? Oh! I need to destroy them? Almost went. Shut up. So. Shut up. I died. Oh my god, I died. Shut up. Come on. Almost done. Give me health. Need health. Need weapons. Need another health. Need another weapon. Let's go there. Let's get away for a bit. Then come back slowly but surely. This. The other one. New. 1, 2, 3. Weapons. Money. Everything. Health. Fuck. Shut up. And last one. Health weapons. Okay, now I can go back and ship is missing. But how can I go? How can I go here? I can't make it without the killing. I know it. I could have. Come on, bitch. And the mask is off. What? How? What do you want from? Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Okay. When I can go back, you press the button. Hey. So, no... Oh! I can go down and fight them if I want. For fighting them... Wait. I know what I'm doing. I know. Trust me. Boom. I don't need to be upside down, guys. Who told you that? Wait. The other open? This was open. This was open. This is the path, no? Yeah. So there I could have gone. Hello. Come to me. Yeah. Thank you. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. This is the secret room, that's it? Oh no. Wait, I wasn't playing, wait. Shut up. I'm the best. I've told you so. Didn't or did or did. Full health though. Wait, don't take me. I want to feel the money. I want to feel the balls. Now I'm happy. Like balls? Wait, what? I've managed to get all the balls already. But who will say no to free money, huh? Okay, let's go back. So there are unique paths and things to do to get over here. Okay. I get it, I accept. Okay. And this is the only green part area that's left. Yeah. Okay. Okay, okay. Guys, we understood it. Okay. Wait. Clock. Just to be. Aha. And I had to be the upside down for this. Okay. Hey, wait. What this door does? Oh, I had to do it before. So like I cheated the game. Okay, I'm still going off. Wow, I got it. How convenient. Where am I? What is this? This is the main ship entrance. Ah, Captain Drek. Give me Raritani Albot.
Tonight on Blind TV, the event you have all been waiting for, the total annihilation of an entire planet! Witness the power, the destruction, and the nothingness that follows. So join Ultimate Supreme Executive Chairman Drek as he pushes the button that ends one world and begins another. Then, stay tuned for the galaxy's funniest superhero bloopers featuring Captain Quark.
Now we know where he is. Let's get him.
Okay. Oh, yeah, this is the last level. So let's think this through. If I'm going to the planet, I can do nothing except fighting him in the last place, right? And I've obtained all balls here. We've got all them bolts. Save Ratchet's planet. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, guys? So I won't go there yet. What I'm about to do is uploading this and going to the next part, which will be unique, finding everything before the final battle. And then I'll show you why I gather all those bolts. See you soon.